Next global indicator is AP. It means transatlantic and the Pacific. It is applicable only when we are crossing both the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. Now we'll try to understand this global indicator through this map. Now this one is Atlantic Ocean and this one is Pacific Ocean. When our passenger is crossing both the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean, in that case we have to consider the global indicator AP. Let's say for example your passenger is traveling from area 2 to area 1 and then area 1 to area 3 or area 3 to area 1 and from area 1 to area 3. In that case we have to consider the global indicator AP. Now we'll try to understand more with some of the examples. Now we have this Budapest, Montreal, Vancouver and Singapore. Now to find out the global indicator for this itinerary, first we'll find out the areas. Budapest is in Hungary, Hungary is in area 2. Now Montreal is in Canada, Canada is in area 1. Vancouver is in Canada, Canada is in area 1. And Singapore is in it's in area 3. Now in this our passenger is traveling from area 2 to area 1. When he is traveling from area 2 to area 1, he has to cross the Atlantic Ocean. And from area 1 to area 3, he has to cross the Pacific. Now in this itinerary, your passenger has crossed both the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. In that case, the global indicator for this itinerary will be AP. Next, Kinshasa, Rio de Janeiro, Canberra. Kinshasa, Rio de Janeiro and Canberra. Now to find out the global indicator for this itinerary, first we'll find out the areas. Kinshasa is in Democratic Republic of Congo and it's in Africa. Africa is in area 2. Rio de Janeiro is in Brazil. Brazil is in area 1.